I'm Teacher Hal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, our discussion is about finding the LCD using prime number. Sagutan natin number 1. Apply natin ang method na to kapag ang lahat ng denominators ay prime. So 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime, 5 is a prime number. So i-multiply natin ang denominator now. 2 times 3 times 5 equals 30. So yun ang ating LCD ngayon. And number 2, 5 is a prime, 7 is a prime. So i-multiply natin to. 5 times 7 equals 35. So yun ang LCD natin. 3 over 11, 1 over 5, 11 is a prime, 5 is a prime, so multiply natin to, 11 times 5 equals 55. So that is our LCD now. Number 4, 2 over 13, 1 over 2, 13 is a prime, 2 is a prime, so we have to multiply. 13 times 2 equals 26. Number 5, 3 over 17, 1 over 3, 17 and 3 is also a prime, so kailangan natin siya multiply. 17 times 3 equals 51. Number 6, 4 over 19, 5 over 2, 19 is a prime, 2 is a prime, so we have to multiply. 19 times 2 equals 38. So, madali na siyang i-find yung LCD kapag prime lahat. Hindi ito ina-apply kapag ang isa dito ay hindi prime. Okay, I hope you enjoy our discussion. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe.